Filling shifts can be a frustrating task for managers and for employees. Working with paper lists or spreadsheets and making calls or texts to fill shifts is cumbersome and takes valuable time. And when you've filled the shift, there's always the worry that the person covering the shift may forget. ZoomShift changes all that. With the ZoomShift, employees can take control of work schedules and shift swapping so managers can step back and focus on the big picture. With ZoomShift, employees can view a list of their upcoming shifts. When they need a cover, they simply tap on their shift to create a shift cover. The worker can send the cover request straight to a coworker that has already agreed to cover for them. Managers have the option to choose whether employees need approval to confirm the swap or if they can do it on their own. If no one has volunteered, the request can be made public and sent to everyone that's qualified to cover their shift. Managers can choose whether or not they need to approve public requests. To pick up the available shift, an employee simply taps the shift and accepts it. The entire team's schedules will automatically update. ZoomShift has some real benefits for your business. Managers will have a state-of-the-art tool for tracking scheduling that's faster and more efficient than paper and pencil. And managers can easily track shift changes and requests. Employees can take charge of their own scheduling, improving morale, retention, and communication. Managing shifts the old-fashioned way is more trouble than it's worth. Between eliminating human error, freeing up managerial resources, and improving the employee experience, it's clear that digitizing shift scheduling with ZoomShift can make drastic improvements to your business.